Hi everyone, Jenna and I are going to help you practice old-time rock and roll. There are multiple verses, but we're just going to, for today, just going to play the one verse in the chorus. So you're going to play as far as this repeat sign, then you're going to go back to the top and play out to the end. It's in the key of C, which means it's going to be low for some of you to sing, but we place it in that key so that the chords will be easy for you to play. So I'm going to sing, just take those old records, and you coming down the word off. Here we go. Just take those old records off the shelf. I'll sit and listen to them by myself. Today's music ain't got the same soul. I like that old time rock and roll. Don't try and take me to a disco. You'll never even get me out on the floor. In 10 minutes I'll be late for the door. I like that old time rock and roll. Still like that old time rock and roll. That kind of music just soothes my soul. I reminisce about the days of old and that old time rock and roll. So if you were going to the next verse, you'd go right back up to the top. But if you were ending the song, you would actually switch that G chord to a C chord and end it right there. So we hope you enjoy old time rock and roll.